In this problem, we have to solve this equation for m. To do that, we're going to use something called the square root property. So the square root property says if you have a variable squared, say x, and it's equal to a number, in order to find x, what you do is you take the square root on both sides. And when you do that, the 2 goes away, so you just get x. And then on the right-hand side, you get a plus or minus every time. Okay. So here we have this entire piece being squared. So we'll start by trying to solve for that piece. So to do that, we need to get rid of this negative 3 over 25. So we'll add that to both sides. So plus 3 over 25, plus 3 over 25. So these cancel. So we have parentheses m plus 4/5, and this is squared, and this is equal to 3 over 25. All right, now we can go ahead and take the square root of both sides. So you have the square root, square root. So on the left-hand side, this will go away because the square root and the 2, they go away. So m plus 4/5. Then here we get a plus or minus, and then we have the square root of 3 over 25. Now we can subtract the 4/5 from both sides. So minus 4/5, minus 4/5. So these cancel. So we have m equals minus 4 over 5 plus or minus the square root of 3 over 25. This can be simplified a little bit further. Note that the square root of 3 over 25 can be written as the square root of 3 over the square root of 25. And then the square root of 3, well, that's just the square root of 3. But the square root of 25 is actually 5. So we can go ahead and make this adjustment. Let's go ahead and replace this with this. So this will be m equals negative 4 over 5 plus or minus the square root of 3 over 5. And that would be the final answer. I hope this video has been helpful.